Hi, boys and girls. We're going to take out our packet again today, where we have completed dolphins, fish with lights, and tricky insects. Today we're going to read this passage about a butterfly's life cycle. I know this is something that you have also studied in first grade. A butterfly starts its life as a tiny egg on a leaf. It hatches into a little green caterpillar. The caterpillar eats and eats. It eats milkweed leaves. The caterpillar eats and grows for 2 weeks. It grows into a fat, fuzzy caterpillar. When the caterpillar stops eating, it finds a safe place to rest. It sticks itself to a leaf, then it curls up to rest. It forms a sac or cocoon around itself. The caterpillar goes to sleep inside the cocoon. The caterpillar stays in its cocoon for about 10 days. Its whole body changes. When it wakes up, it is not a caterpillar anymore. In the cocoon, the caterpillar turned into a butterfly. The butterfly unfolds its wings. The wings are orange and black. They are very beautiful. The butterfly stretches its wings. They are wet and can tear easily. The butterfly lets them dry in the sun. The wings become strong and straight. Then the butterfly flies away to find some flower nectar to drink. Okay, so here's our strategy practice. Draw a star next to each paragraph that tells about caterpillars. So take a minute, let's go back and look at the paragraphs. Put a star next to the ones that talk about caterpillars. And if I'm going too fast, remember you can always stop and pause your video. I think I chose the first, second, and third because all three of them talk about caterpillars. At the end, it's talking about the butterfly. So I put a star here, here, and here. Question number 1. What is the best title for this passage? So we're missing a title up here. What would you pick as the best title? A, a big change. B, a little green worm. C, colorful wings. D, a long sleep. What do you think would be the best title? I would pick a big change because it's talking about the change that the caterpillar makes as it turns into that beautiful butterfly. Number 2, why does a butterfly stretch its wings? To lay an egg, to form a sac, to dry itself, to find a flower. So let's go back up to the last paragraph, and I see where it tells me why the butterfly stretches its wings. So I want you to highlight that piece that talks about why it stretches its wings. Then go back down to number 2 and see if you can find the answer that would match that. Again, pause the video if you need to. I've selected right here this section that tells me the butterfly stretches its wings. They are wet and can tear easily. The butterfly lets them dry in the sun. So I picked down here C, to dry itself. Number 3, after the caterpillar eats leaves and grows, it flies away, sticks to a leaf, curls up to sleep, unfolds its wings. So after the caterpillar eats leaves, what does it do? And if you go up to the top, It would be the first sentence in that second paragraph. When the caterpillar stops eating, it finds a safe place to rest. Then it sticks itself to a leaf. Then it curls up to rest. Okay? So after the caterpillar eats leaves and grows, I would pick that it sticks itself to up here to the leaf. And then it's going to rest. So first it has to stick to the leaf before it can go to sleep. So I selected B. And number 4, which sentence is an opinion? Remember, an opinion is what you think. I might say, I think pink is the prettiest color. That's my opinion. It's not a fact. It's not what everybody thinks. An opinion is what somebody else thinks. There's not a fact or a definite reason behind it. So the tiny egg hatches into a little green caterpillar. That definitely happens. That's a fact. The caterpillar eats milkweed leaves. It does eat milkweed leaves. That's a fact. It's not something that I think. The caterpillar stays in its cocoon for about 10 days. That's also a fact. I can go right up here in the passage and it tells me he's right there for 10 days in his cocoon. D, butterfly wings are very beautiful. That's going to be our opinion, because I might think butterfly wings are beautiful, but you might not. That might be my thought. So I selected D, butterfly wings are beautiful.